So let's say you were flying with your analog goggles and they shut off by accident, or you forgot to stop hitting record and the file gets corrupted. I don't know if people know this, but so many times I thought, I can't fix it, or people try and do stuff with programs and whatever. But Skyzone actually has something built into it where it fixes it. So all you have to do is I transfer all the good files over to my computer or wherever you're putting them. So I transfer all those good files off, I delete them all, and then I have all the corrupted files left in my goggles. And then I go to playback, and when you go to playback, the first video, you just leave it and it'll fix it. And then you can go to the next video and leave it and it'll fix it. If it doesn't fix it, then just transfer the first one, because it always fixes like the last video. You can then transfer the fixed one to your computer, delete it off the card, and then the next file will be there and it'll fix that. Just a sec. Yeah, see? So I just got it to fix 2 files, and now we're gonna see if it's not fixing the next one. So let me just show you on the computer what happens. So basically all the files that were left on this were corrupted, and now, yeah, it's hard to do things with one hand. So I'm putting that on the computer, and we're gonna take a look. So this is a folder. All these files were corrupted. It fixed the last 2, so now I'm gonna take those off the memory card. Now I'm gonna delete those off the memory card. All that's left are these 2 corrupt files. Safely remove from the computer like a good boy. Now I'm gonna take this memory card. I'm gonna slide it into my thing. And now I'm gonna click on the thing and pushing playback. And now it sees file video 18, and I just leave it totally alone, and it should fix it. I might have to wait a bit. You just keep repeating this process with any broken files. There you go, it fixed it. And now I'm gonna go to the next one. So there were only 2 files left that were corrupted on this memory card. Now I'm just waiting. You might have to wait a bit. I don't know, I think if the file's bigger, it takes a little bit longer. And it seems to be able to fix, like, no matter what, it'll fix the file, especially if it's the last file on the memory card. Like right now I'm trying to do the next file, and it doesn't seem to be fixing it, but it'll always fix that last one. So worst comes to worst, I'm going to transfer that last one, and then I'm going to do this one after. I'm going to turn off my goggles. I'm going to take this out of the thing, put it back to the computer just so you can see this all happening. It's all real. Do you remember how there were 2 dead files? See, it fixed the one, and it didn't fix the other. We're going to take this thingy, I'm going to dump this into there, delete it. There were like 6 broken files. It fixed all of them except for one. That's how you do it.